Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Velocity Mortgage. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in blink.mortgage/app/login/partner/FLG5JQL2. Make sure to enter the last string of characters in all uppercase and then press enter. You will now be taken into the login portal for your Velocity Mortgage account right away. Just type in the email address that you have used while signing up for your account within the email address section and then enter your account password underneath within the password box. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged in to your Velocity Mortgage account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the forgot password option and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on a Velocity Mortgage. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.